Right, so welcome back everybody. We're going to go into our next Homebank 5 minutes, and this 5-minute session is going to be about the categories. So what we've got so far is we've got our bank accounts with our bank balances, and now we're going to look at how we categorize our spending. But we're going to start by creating the categories or choosing the ones that we want and the ones that we don't want. So Homebank already has a list of categories. So we can choose from those and we can keep the ones that we like, the ones that are relevant for us, and we can discard all the rest. And then we can group them in different ways as well. So what you do is you go up to the top to manage and then down to categories. And that brings all of the categories in. Now, some of the things that you'll notice is the bills one has a lot of subcategories, and that can be actually a bit of a pain to have all of those. Because then you've got to go through and look at what you spent under the whole heading term bills. So we might want to break that down a bit more. So for instance, under there we've got telephone, let's just make that landline, internet, and we've got cell phone. Now cellular, we can get rid of that one and say delete. And then we can create a new category down there called telephone and internet, for instance. So just group these things the way that you want to group them. So if we create that category and then we take cell phone and we click on this little button here that says move or merge. So we're going to merge that category, merge cell phone into telephone. And so we'll go down. Go all the way down, you see there's lots of categories there. Some of them will delete. Taxes and then telephone and internet and go merge. And then we'll do the same thing for internet. And you can actually just put in telephone and it will bring up the ones it's already got and go merge it to there. And then for cable and satellite, we might want to change that to Sky, TV and Netflix, and then we'll merge that one later into entertainment. Telephone, we can change that to landline, and then we can merge that to telephone and internet. And I think we'll merge Sky TV, see if we've got one for entertainment. There's entertainment. So you've got hobbies, leisure, and entertaining, but we'll merge it into entertainment. But at the moment, there's mortgage interest, there's student loan interest, and we've got loan payments. Merge that into loan, and that just cleans that up. And the taxes are going to be more likely to be RWT for resident withholding tax, and high tax, which is a tax on our investment. And then we can get rid of these other ones because we don't have all these other taxes. Telephone and internet, travel, we'll change that to accommodation, and we might also change that to airfares. So we now have accommodation, airfares, and we have utilities. That would usually be power, phone, rates. And you could put all of your power and phone and rates under utilities. So if we do that, that's sort of like putting it back under bills. So we'll just get rid of utilities for now. So that's a look at the expense side. And then we have all the income side. And the income of interest, investment income. So we've got investment income there. So we don't need to worry about and we change this one under income to tax refund because obviously that's money coming in. And retirement income, at the moment we're going to get rid of retirement income for Abby and Sam. You need to, when you're getting rid of them, you need to get rid of them individually, and then you can get rid of the whole category itself. And we have wages and salaries, so for now we'll leave it at that. So that's how you do your categories. It doesn't take very long. Just pick the ones that are relevant to you, and don't worry about whether you get the right ones or not. When you bring your information into Homebank and do your transactions, it will all you'll all start to see what categories you need. So have a go at that, and we'll talk to you in the next slot.